actually. It's a really simple device. The parts, you've got a basic filter to take out stone. And the water is filtered through here. You've got two taps. These are off, yeah? This is on. The red is danger. Never ever drink water out of this end. Okay? This section is designed to clean the filter, and I'll show you that in a minute. You only ever drink water out of the blue one. So red is danger, never blue one. So you hang it up, you can, wherever you want. He says. Did I turn the taps off? Yeah, I did. I'll do one more. We did check yesterday about oil. You know, you mentioned that some of the water is polluted.
Yes.
Obviously with oil, you want to take out as much as possible beforehand. But it will take out the dangerous part of oil, the pathogens.
Okay.
It won't taste very nice, they said, and it won't look very nice. It will be drinkable.
So it will not, it appears it's not nice, but at least it is healthy.
Yes, it won't kill you, yeah. It takes out the dangerous bit, but not what's called the hydrocarbons. It takes out the pathogens. And it may well shorten the life of the device. Which is designed 20 litres a day for 3 years. That's its lifespan. But with the oil, they do estimate maybe lose 30% of its life if it's regularly oil. So fill it up. The best thing to do is to start with a clean in the morning. Every morning is to clean it. So the way you do this is this pump is 3 times, very hard. 1, let it fill up. This is flushing through the filter. It's going to fill. 2. 3. 4. There. And then you turn this tap on for 5 seconds, and this will clean out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One for luck here. Okay. Now that's ready to use. When they're new and they're just starting to be used, sometimes the water comes out light. But once it's been used for a few days,
the pump, you mean the pump?
Yeah, the amount of water. But it will do. I mean, it says about 10+ litres an hour once it's working. But this will be
10 litres per hour.
They say 10 litres an hour. Yeah, if you're doing it, filling it, and that will start to keep it topped up.
Shall we drink some water?
Yeah, I mean, well, it's out of the tap. You could drink it. If I went outside and picked dirty water from the street, I would drink this now. It will clean it.
Dirty water.
If we went out and there was stagnant water in a pool out there, I would put it in here and I would drink it. It's just one of those. You let it fill up, leave it, just keep topping it. You know, it's not like a normal tap because this is a manual system. So let me tell you, there's no battery, no power. This is a sealed unit.
What is it?
Sealed unit. sealed unit يعني مسكرة هي تمام محكمة الكلام.
اسطوانية
يعني ما مي من أطراف.
So you must never try and open it up.
No.
Because this cannot be fixed. If it breaks or you have a split in it, No good. Okay.
إذا في شعر ما شعر يعني شعر تسلين.
The other thing to think of is this pipe.
But we can't change that time with the big one, for example.
Yeah, you could do, and it would provide more pressure.
What is it? Can you repeat?
We were just saying you could maybe try and make a bigger. These are all hoppers. Don't cut this tube any shorter because you need. This is 1 meter. You need the pressure. If it's too short, the weight of the water won't push it through it. But you see, it fills up, and if it's dirty water, this is clean.
تصفية وتعقيم ولا بس تصفية؟
Purification and
Sterilization.
Don't need it.
Don't need it. Any kind of water.
Any kind of water.
حتى بيقولوا أوتوبار إنه المي تبع مستنقع يعني مي من برا من بركة مي من أي مي بالأرض بيحطهم حتى وبيشربها. حتى كان بيحكي عن إنه مو في عندكم أطراف إنه فيه النفط أطراف النهر ما بتعقم بالمية بس إنه بضل فيها ريحة النفط وبس إنه بتصير نوعا ما صالحة للشرب. طعمتها بتضل مميزة، طعمة بتضل لسه فيها طعمة النفط والأويل بس يعني بتصير أحسن للشرب. بس هذا بيأثر على عمر الهي، هلا هي بيقول إنه عمرها 3 سنين يعني.
هذا الأنبوبة اللي داخلها على شكل بالكتالوج ينفخ يتنظف كل فترة.
هلا بنسأله.
It's starting to obviously you take the worst, if it's dirty water with leaves and stones, take out as much as possible. We've sent Omar the technical report as to everything it takes out.
32 pages.
Yeah, but it's for your record, it's not for you to read. But the way it works is it's an actual physical filter. Many of the diseases that are in water, the filter is so small it blocks them coming through.
ما في اشنيات يعني تبع المي تبع النهر.
أنا ممكن يتعقم بشاشة تستخدم بشاشة أو كذا.
يتسطح.
عشان ما يسكر.
تمام. بزيد من عمره. I was suggesting maybe if you could use like a piece of cloth and then you get the water through it, and then
you can do that and then put it in here as much as you can do beforehand.
Because this is precious thing for us.
Yeah. But I mean, without sounding rude, I could get toilet water and put it in there, and I would.
Toilet water.
Yeah.
I'll happily do that now if you want.
Yeah.
Should we do that now to make the point?
I don't really need to, but I would do it. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Okay.
It
Sometimes on TV.
Yeah. It might not look beautiful mineral water, but it's medically it's safe and it won't harm you. That's the important thing here. So you can see it's slow.
Yeah. Only a couple of really minor things, but it was really good. I'll just.
They were saying they're going to connect it to a permanent tap.
Yeah.
ربط على حنفية زي ما خلص الضغط تاني كمان نصب كل شوي
حسنا نصب من فوق يعني الحنفية تحطها فوق تفتح
فوق
لأنه هذا متر 1 متر لازم ما ينقص أو ينقص على متر. Anyway, we have a question is
بطريقة مريحة ست البيت
water
هنحكي عن ونربط هاي بطريقة ما.
You get this water
As a salt water.
as a salt water. If you put it here,
خزانات كلها فوق السطوح.
So desalination, that's an interesting question, and I can find out in the next few hours.
Because it is a desert. And you know,
Yeah.
the water is in the desert. It's not.
Desalination. The technical guy is in Washington. He's very quick, but he hasn't went yet. I'll call him later today and find out.
this is very important for us
It's a
because we have many
Yeah.
water.
I'm not. Do you know Max?
I'm not, off the top of my head I couldn't say, but we may be able to get it out of that technical document. We can
Yeah.
look now.
We'll find out for certain by this afternoon. We'll know for certain. Couple of other things. Obviously, like anything else, it's just to keep it, to keep it clean. You know, like you would normally in a kitchen. You know, wiping it, disinfecting. Yeah. But the important bit is every day do this.
Only in the morning.
Yeah, you could do it twice a day.
But at least once.
Minimum once a day.
على الأقل مرة واحدة. وغدا فلاش مرة.
If there is oil or you think the water is heavily contaminated, then maybe they do recommend more regular, so maybe twice a day.
إذا المي كثير سيئة يعني فساعة ما ترفع أكثر من مرتين أو أكثر.
So if we have germs in the water,
Yeah, thanks.
okay, great. That's what we need.
Yeah.
Yes.
Things that cause diarrhea. Yeah.
In a moment I'll get we've got the kit list which has the list of everything, or the summary of what it takes out.
Yes, we'll get that document that shows you what it takes out. Things like stomach infections.
1.8 children die every year because of the diarrhea. This is a new diet.
Let's do that now.
Yeah.
Should we stop that? We'll get